So our gas light just came on, so we're turning it around.
Travel life problems. No, that's not gonna make it.
No.
That's not gonna be a thing.
No.
No. Hey guys, it's another rainy day in Washington. Shocker. And we are scouting out a boondocking site that we want to come to in a few days. And we like to come ahead of time if we can and check out the cell signal and make sure that's going to be okay for work and see which spot we want to try to snag. If you don't know what boondocking is, it's free camping out in the wilderness, and there's tons of, ooh, this one looks awesome. It's looking pretty good. Got a fire ring set up already. So you can see there's no amenities or anything. This is wilderness camping, or some people call it dry camping. You use your tanks on board, your solar power, so you're completely off the grid. And it's totally free. And a lot of this land exists, especially out west. BLM land, which is Bureau of Land Management, or National Forest.
Yeah, this one we're looking at is National Forest.
Awesome. And guys, it is gorgeous back here. So this could be our potential home next week or starting this weekend. And these tend to book up on the weekends, so that's one of the benefits of full-time travel, is we can go after we finish work on Friday and kind of get the jump on everybody else. But as you can see, the roads can be bumpy sometimes too. Most of them are dirt roads like this. So we check to make sure we have clearance before we bring the Airstream out here.
There's another site, looks really cool. Want to go check it out?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Kind of tight, but we'll see.
And it's like, it's fun. It's like exploring like you used to do when you were a kid. Ooh, here we go.
It's getting tight.
Oh my gosh, are you gonna be able to back up?
I'm hoping there's a turnaround, but what do you think? Do we turn it around here?
I think we should stop here.
I could back it up from here.
Yeah, I mean, there's no way we can get the rig back here anyway, so.
Right.
But it would be cool to see what's at the end of that road.
We got a 4x4 truck at home, but we decided to take the van.
Yeah. So right now we're driving our office/van. And this is near Snoqualmie Pass in Washington, and it looks like there's tons of like awesome sites back here, and they're all like wooded and private, so wow, it's like our own little personal retreat. I love it. I have a feeling that we're gonna find the Sasquatch back here.
That looks dicey. There's a twig across. We could do it if we had to, but since we got another clear road on this fork, we're just gonna go continue straight.
Cool. About how far down this road do you think we've gone?
2 miles?
No.
No, you're right. A mile.
So it's raining a lot here in Washington State, at least since we've been here. But I don't mind it so much. It's like the beautiful type of rain. It kind of adds to like this ambiance, like all the mist and the big trees and then the sun rays coming through. What do you think?
Yeah, and I mean, just like anywhere else this morning, it was sunny for the majority of the day. It's gonna rain for probably an hour in the summer, and then it's gonna be clear. At least that's our expectations for today. So our gas light just came on, so we're turning it around.
Travel life problems. No, that's not gonna make it.
No.
That's not gonna be a thing.
No.
No.
Someone down there.
Oh, cool. Somebody's already set up down here.
Yep, they're tent camping.
Yeah, we got some tent campers. Looks like it's opening up to a clearing out here. Oh, cool. The river is just down there. It's kind of hard to see. It's a little
there's another
rainy
site that's
today.
pretty slanted. Good for
Oh,
a
yeah.
tent, but that's about
It's
it.
a pretty sight.
I'm gonna turn it around here.
Check it out. Can you imagine having this little slice of heaven to yourself? Oh, the river looks high, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right, now we're checking out one on foot because we weren't sure if we could get the van back here or not. It probably will be fine, but if you don't know where you can turn around, then you probably don't want to go down that road.
So this is what we want to avoid if we can run it out a road like this. We took the Airstream down here, we could get a little stuck and have to try and back it out or forge ahead.
Look, we've gone on some gnarly stuff, but I don't think we want to take risks like that anymore.
Not if we can help it. The transfer case there, I don't know, 7 or 2. It's not a lot.
Yeah, I mean, the van doesn't have that much clearance either. All right, I think we're ready to roll back. Hey guys, so super bummer. The boondocking spot that we most wanted, someone was already there, and while there technically was room for more folks, we wanted a little bit more privacy. It looks like they had several dogs. Dogs usually bark, not great for our work life environment. So we're here at this site. I think it's gorgeous. There's already a fire ring, and we're gonna back the rig right in. All right, here comes Daniel to back in the rig. Great job, babe. Excellent trajectory. Looking good. Thanks again for watching, guys. Please do subscribe and be sure to follow us on Instagram at HeyBabeWatchThis so you can see our most up-to-date content.